welcome to this week's harmonica lesson. I'm Tomlin from TomlinHarmonicaLessons.com. Today I am going to show you how you can use the blues scale in a slightly more interesting way and how you can use it to get around the harmonica a little bit more quickly using patterns. So that's a little bit like what I was playing just at the beginning there. So I was playing the blues scale, but I was using a triplet-based pattern. So this kind of thing. So for this lesson, you will need a harmonica in the key of C. We're playing in second position in the key of G, and the tabs are going to be up on screen beneath me. So this first pattern that I played at the beginning, we're going up 3 notes of the blues scale. So if you think about the blues scale, we have the 2 draw, 3 draw half step bend, 4 blow, 4 draw half step bend, 4 draw, 5 draw, 6 blow. So for this pattern, we're going up 3 notes. So that's 2 draw, 3 draw half step bend, 4 blow. Okay? And then we're going back 1 and doing the same thing again. So going up 3 notes from that. So that'll be 3 draw half step bend, 4 blow, 4 draw half step bend, etc., etc. So you can see that on the tab beneath me. So let's try playing that through together really, really slowly. So I'm going to give you a beat, and we're playing triplets. That means you're playing 3 notes per beat. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and if you found that too fast, slow it way, way down. It doesn't matter if you're doing that's totally fine. Just do it whatever speed you can do it without making any mistakes. And then when you're really comfortable with it, you can gradually speed it up. So let's have a look at how we're going to use exactly the same pattern to come backwards through the scale. So it's going to sound like this. So it's exactly the same kind of idea. We're going back through the scale from the 6th blow, and we're going down 3 notes and then back up 1. And down 3 notes, back up 1. So that's 6 blow, 5 draw, 4 draw, back up to the 5 draw, 4 draw, 4 draw, half step bend, up to the 4 draw, 4 draw, 4 draw, half step bend, 4 blow, etc., etc. Once again, it's up on the screen beneath me. So let's try playing that through really, really slowly, starting on the 6th blow. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so when you're comfortable playing it up and down, you want to put them together and get really comfortable going up and down the scale using that pattern. So let's play that really slowly together. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and the whole purpose of this kind of pattern is to be able to quickly move from one point to the other of the harmonica without it getting a bit boring and just playing the blues scale in a straight line. So without just doing this. But if instead I get there by doing this, it sounds a lot more interesting. So it's really worthwhile spending a serious amount of time with your metronome. And when I say serious amount of time, it could be a month, could be 2 months, could be 6 months. Just getting that really, really solid so that you can speed it up. Okay, so I'm going to show you 2 more blues scale based patterns. So the next pattern is kind of blues scale based. It's not entirely. So I'm going to play through it and then I'll talk you through it because this is quite a nice move. So. So we're not playing the blues scale exactly, but we're doing something that's kind of mechanically easy on the harmonica. So we're playing 3 draw, 2 draw, 3 draw, still triplet based. So that's 1 breath, and you're just kind of sliding between the notes. And then we're moving up to the 4 blow and doing the same thing, 4 blow, 3 blow, 4 blow. So going back, down one note on the same direction of airflow. So 3 draw, 2 draw, 3 draw, 4 blow, 3 blow, 4 blow. And then we do the same thing on the 4 draw. So you're doing the 4 draw and then still staying on a draw and going back one note, so down to the 3 draw, up to the 4 draw. Okay, then up to the 5 draw, 5, 4, 5. And then we end on a 6. So let's try that really slowly together. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So remember that pattern that you're playing, each triplet is on the same direction of airflow. So the first triplet is a draw, next triplet is a blow, next triplet is a draw, next triplet is a draw, and then we end on the 6 blow. Then when you're comfortable doing that, I'm going to play you back through the scale and I want you to listen for the slight difference in the pattern. Okay, so what we're doing, we're starting on the 6th blow and we're doing 6 blow, 5 blow, 6 blow. So that's the slight change between going up through the pattern and coming back down. And then we go back to 5 draw, 4 draw, 5 draw, 4 draw, 3 draw, 4 draw, 4 blow, 3 blow, 4 blow, then 3 draw, 2 draw, 3 draw. Okay, so let's try that together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try putting the up pattern and the down pattern together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, same thing as with the first pattern that we played through. Take a bit of time building up the speed, even if it's a few months, that's totally cool. And then eventually you'll be able to do something like this, which is quite a nice move. It's sort of a Pat Ramsey inspired move. Okay, so final pattern is a 16th note based pattern. So if you're not sure what a 16th note is, a triplet was 3 notes per beat and a 16th note is 4 notes per beat. So you're going to count it 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and that's going to sound like this. Okay, so we're going up through the scale. Up 3, back 1, up 2, back 2. So that means 2 draw, 3 draw, half step bend, 4 blow, 3 draw, 4 blow, 4 draw, half step bend, 4 blow, 3 draw, half step bend. And it's going to be up on the screen beneath me, so it's worthwhile going through this quite slowly. You can see by the look on my face that it's confusing my poor brain, so definitely worth spending a bit of time on it slow. Let's try playing through up through the scale. The tab's going to be up on the screen using 16th notes. So we'll do this really, really, really slowly. So 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and I just added a 6th blow at the end just to end it in a more natural way. And then let's look at how we're coming back down the scale. So back down the scale, it's going to sound like this. So same kind of idea. We're going down 2, back up 2, and then down 4. So that means 6 blow, 5 draw, 6 blow, 6 overblow, 6 blow, 5 draw, 4 draw, 4 draw, half step bend. So I was playing it as 8th notes there, which you can do to kind of build up the speed. Let's try going back down through the scale from the 6th blow. So 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and Okay, so I went through that quite quickly, but what you need to do once again is spend a lot of quality time building up the speed on that pattern. And these aren't the only patterns that you can use. These are just some ideas to get you started, and they're just kind of things that popped into my head and I wrote them down and thought they sounded quite fun. But make up your own patterns. It's all about being able to play through the blues scale in a slightly more diagonal way. Because if we play it up and down in a line, it sounds like a scale. But as soon as you start applying a pattern to it, although it's basically a little bit like maths, it sounds a lot more interesting, and it'll also build up your speed and your technique, which is a very positive thing. But don't forget, it's going to take some time, so use a metronome, practice very slowly, and gradually increase the BPM over weeks, months. You know, it's going to take some time, but definitely worth persevering with. Okay, so now you can do something for me. You can hit the like button below, and you can subscribe to my channel, because I put out a free harmonica lesson every single Wednesday, and I wouldn't want you to miss out on that. And now, if you want to get the tab sheet for today's lesson and also get audio clips of each of those patterns so you can hear what they're supposed to sound like, just click on the link in the description below. Thank you very much. Okay, right, before you go, I just wanted to say a few words about my Introduction to Improvisation eCourse. So this is a course that I put together which is 5 weeks long and consists of videos and audio and tab sheets and kind of all structured so that you can get started learning how to improvise over a 12-bar blues. So if that's something that you might be interested in, just click on the link in the description below and you can find out a little bit more about that. Thank you very much. See you next week.